This GoPro has held up really well for me. I've never had any water leak through its case that it comes with, the housing. It's a pretty basic kit that you get with it, like the charging cable. This screw goes in here and you can attach that to different things, but you probably want to get maybe an accessories kit as well for it. So the housing opens here on the top. You just squeeze that, pop it open, flip that. And you can see it's got a nice seal right here to keep it dry. And then the camera comes out like that. So this does not have a viewing screen. So it's a basic one, but you just turn it on holding it here. The resolutions and frame rates and such that it comes with is pretty good. I feel like the quality is decent, but underwater it kind of wasn't so great when I tried to edit footage. That turns it off to hold it down. When I tried to edit footage, it would come out a little bit greenish. So I don't know if it's just my editing or the camera, but for the most part though, if you're shooting like in daytime, it's got a really good wide angle. I've used it for snowboarding, paddleboarding, underwater, snorkeling, things like that. So it's very versatile. And it's nice just to carry around because of, being compact. So if you're looking for simple, waterproof, you might want to check out this GoPro.